What happened? Trying to switch active slot to A via fastboot to flash all partitions resulted in hard brick.
¿Cómo que wait for any device? ¿Qué pedo? Ay, la puta que me parió. Puto teléfono de la chingada. Me tiene hasta la verga, me tiene hasta la verga. Sí. Me jodas quién aprende. Me jodas quién no aprende.
Why did this happen? So it's not safe to change the slot. Switching the active slot to A via fastboot resulted in hard brick, as this slot had Android 13 based firmware, while the active slot B already contained Android 14. The preloaders in Android 13 and Android 14 are different, so no rollback is possible. As a result, the old version of the loader remained in the preloader_A partition, which resulted in hard brick. How to avoid this? Before switching the slot, make sure it has the same Android version as the active slot. If you are not sure, it is recommended to flash the device with stock firmware via SP Flash tool. It will automatically switch the slot to A and install the new firmware. How to fix this? The only way to fix this is with JTAG. For this you will need a JTAG adapter and soldering skills. Refer to the fuckyoumoto documentation for a step-by-step guide.